Okay then. So last class, the last class was very long back, I guess. Friday, yeah. So it's been a gap. I'll just recapitulate what we have done. So last class, what we were doing is we were converting the given question into the standard form. Then we were solving it. Why were we converting it to standard form? Because the variables were in the denominator. For example, it was like this: 2 by x plus 3 by y is equal to some 13. So what did we do? 2 by x, we wrote it as 2 into 1 by x. 3 by y, we wrote it as 3 into 1 by y equal to 13. Then we gave substitution for this and for this, and we did. Yeah. So that was the last thing that we did. Let's continue the same type, but bit different. Okay. Bit different.
Sir, will you give extra sums?
Sorry?
Extra sums.
Whatever I'm doing itself is extra sums. You can compare with your textbook. None of the sums are what I'm doing. All the sums are different from what it is in the textbook. What else extra problems you need? Yeah. I'll give you a question. Just think about it and try it yourself. I'm not going to help you out. Try it out on your own. If you're not getting it, then I'll let you know. Okay. So take down. What will be the question number? Can anyone please tell me? I don't know what's the question number. So x plus y is
28, sir.
28.
28. Okay, 28 one. X plus y is equal to 5xy. 3x plus 2y is equal to 13xy. Okay, this is the next question. And if you observe properly, this is not in the standard form. Why? Because in standard form, x and y are not in product. X ಮತ್ತೆ y ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? X and y multiplication ಇರಲ್ಲ in the standard form. So this is not in the standard form. We have to get it in the standard form, then we have to solve it. Try it out on your own. I'll just give you 2 minutes time. Okay. Just 2-3 steps ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. From there you can proceed.
Sir, what should we do, sir? We should find out x.
Yeah,
sir.
you have to find the value of x and y. Okay, this is not in the standard form actually. Why it is not in the standard form? X and y product allide. Standard form alli x ಮತ್ತೆ y multiplication irutta? No, it's not. But illide. So you have to get it in the standard form, then solve it. So ಹೆಂಗೆ standard form ಹೆಂಗೆ ತರ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ. In simple words, you have to find the value of x and y. Okay, just find the value of x and y. That is all I'm asking. You have to just find the value of x and y. I'll just give you 2 minutes time. Okay, give you 2 minutes time. First a few steps, just 2 steps. If you get it, you can do it from there on your own. It will be better, some of you, if you keep your videos on. Okay.
So this is also elimination method, sir.
You can solve it by elimination method or any method. It's your wish. You can solve it by any method you wish. Solve ಅಂದ್ರೆ x value, y value ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Solve like how you were given last time, or you can just use our own method.
Yeah. Think. Actually, you can also directly solve it, but I don't want to teach that. Okay, let's go by the standard way itself. Has anyone got it? Kirtana, Shreya, Sanjana, Shri. Could you tell me what will be the first step?
So transfer 5xy to the other side.
X plus y is equal to 5xy. Okay. Transfer 5xy to the other side. Okay, I'm just doing whatever Adarsh is telling me to do. I'm not telling this is correct. I'm just doing whatever is telling to do. Okay. Equal to 0. What next, Adarsh?
So 2 minutes I'll solve and send it.
Okay, okay. Shrisha, Diksha, Vishwas, Liba, Pragati, Nisarga, could you give me what will be the next step? Why do you think this is not in the standard form? The problem only, what makes it that this is not in a standard form? Because of what this is not in the standard form? ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದು standard form?
Sir, X and Y doesn't come in multiplication in the product set.
It is in multiplication. So what shall we do is, can we send it the other side? Can we transpose it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we can transpose it. So when I transpose it, so this is in multiplication, comes this side, it will become division. Isn't it? Now if you observe,
yes, sir.
This is a common denominator. Andre, this belongs to both the terms. Idikku serutte, idikku serutte. Split ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Separate ಆಗಿ. X by xy plus y by xy. ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದಲ್ವಾ? Because this belongs to both. Yeah, we'll separate it. Now, if you observe, it gets cancelled. X and x gets cancelled. Y and y gets cancelled. What is left out here? 1 by y plus 1 by x is equal to 5. Keep it as it is. Keep it as it is. Now take the second equation. 3x plus 2y is equal to 13xy. Similarly, get the xy to the other side. 3x by 2y divided by xy equal to 13. Split it now. 3x by xy plus 2y by xy equal to 13. X and x gets cancelled, y and y gets cancelled. So you're left with 3 by y plus 2 by x is equal to 13. Now, if you observe properly, isn't it like a previous problem? I'll write down these two. 1 by y plus 1 by x is equal to 5. The new one that you have got is 3 by y plus 2 by x equal to 13. Isn't it like the previous problems?
Sir.
Yeah, do you agree with me? It is exactly like the previous problem. From here, I hope you can solve it. Yeah, will you try it out from here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, do it.
Yes, sir.
Very
X is
simple.
equal to 3 and y is equal to 2.
Okay. Let's check it. Okay, let your friends do it. Then later we'll check it, Adarsh.
Sir, I did not follow this method. I went to by cross multiplication.
You use the formulas, right?
Yes, sir.
But cross multiplication cannot be applied here. But you will be getting the same answers. You'll be getting the correct answer, but it cannot be applied because A value is 1, B value is 1. But what is the C value? You would have taken it as 5, but that's wrong. Because what is a C value? C value is a constant which doesn't have any coefficients with them. C is a separate number. But here you got xy in that. So that C value na 5 anta ತಗೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. But answer correct ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? Whatever answer you got it, that is correct. But you cannot use that method. That method is only for a standard equation of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. ಈ ತರ ಇರೋ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಬಟ್ ಆ ತರ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇದು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಇದೆ, y ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ xy ಇದೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ xy ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. So you cannot use that method.
Yes, sir.
You'll be getting the correct answer because illu xy product allide, illu xy product allide, averadu cancel agbidutte. So you will get the correct answer. But in exams we expect you to do it like this. Try it out. Who's this Lenovo? Please put your name, rename yourself. Others, I hope you are getting the concepts clearly. Have you got the answers? Shreya, Bhuvan, Trisha, Ashrita, Kirtana. I hope you would have done till here. Shreya, could you tell me what will be the next step from here? Shreya?
Sir, I'm not getting.
Okay. Till where you have done it?
Till where you did, till there I did, sir.
Were you not present in the previous class? I mean, my previous class. Okay, any of people who don't know, just listen. People who have attended the previous class will know how to do it. If you don't know, just observe. So what we have got is 1 by y plus 1 by x is equal to 5. 3 by y plus 2 by x is equal to 13. Alva? So again, this is not in the standard form. So first one, we'll keep it as it is. Second one, what you can do is 3 by y can be written as 3 into 1 by y. 2 by x can be written as 2 into 1 by x. Denominator variables and the coefficients. I'm just separating it, splitting it. Okay, 3 by y, I'm writing it as 3 into 1 by y. 2 by x, I'm writing it as 2 into 1 by x. So that first equation, second equation, one factor same, you can give a substitution. That is why we are doing it. Observe madi. Illu 1 by y idya, illu 1 by y ide. Illu 1 by x ide, illu 1 by x ide. So I can give substitution. Put 1 by y is equal to v, 1 by x is equal to u. So again agate equation 1 by y andreno v plus 1 by x andreno u equal to 5. Next 3 into 1 by y. 1 by y andre v plus 2 into 1 by x. 2 as it is. 1 by x is what? U equal to 13. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ elimination method use ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು v value ಮತ್ತೆ u value ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಿರಿ. Find the value of v and u using elimination method.
V is equals to 2, sir.
Okay.
And U is equals to 3.
V is equal to 2, u is equal to 3. Okay, let's see. That's the
Y
answer.
Y is equals to 1 by 3.
Yeah.
X is equals to 1 by 2.
ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ. V is what? V ನ ನಾನು 1 by y ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Just check it out. Don't get confused. ನಾನು V ನ 1 by y ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. V is 2, 1 by y is 2, which implies ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡಿ y will become 1 by 2.
Yes, sir, I have taken my science.
1 by x, so x is equal to 1 by 3. I guess you have reversed it, I guess.
Yeah, yes, sir.
You have taken 1 by y as u, I guess.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, then let's also change it. So according to that, ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. This will become 3, this will become 2. You have to be very careful. You have to do according to your substitution. ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ 1/y ನ v ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ 1/y ನ u ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ. You have to be very careful with that. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Adarsh.
Is it correct if we just stop at 1/y is equal to 3 and 1/x is equal to 2? Or should we further again simplify?
See, what is the main motivation of us? The main intention is to find x value and y value, right? So we have to find the value of y and x. This is 1 over y and 1 over x. But what I need is x and y. We have to find it. That will be the final step. I hope there is no confusion.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can you explain again? I'm not getting.
From where should I go to, no?
Sir, from first, from the standard form.
From the beginning itself?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll just do it, okay? So it was x plus 5, y is equal to 5xy. And 3x plus 2y is equal to 13xy. ಈ ತರ ಇತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಇದನ್ನ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ? ನಮ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ x ಮತ್ತೆ y ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? x and y were not in product. So we got to know this is not the standard form. We have to get it into standard form. So what did I do? I got this xy to the other side. So ಈ ತರ ಇತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? x plus y equal to 5. ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ xy ನ this is in multiplication. Get it this side will become division. Okay. Then I'm going to split this for both the terms. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಸೇರುತ್ತೆ. It belongs to both. So I can write it as x by xy plus y by xy equal to 5. Correct? I can do that, right? Yeah. So I'm going to cancel x and x, y and y. So what am I left out here? Numerator 1 is there, denominator y is there. Numerator 1 is there, denominator x is there. So you get 1 by y plus 1 by x is equal to 5, which we have written it. Similarly, if you do it for the second equation, you will be getting like this: 3 by y plus 2 by x is equal to 13. Just check it out. Previous class ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೇ ತರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. x y ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದಂತ I have done it. That is what I have done it here. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? ಈ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ನ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. Like this: 3 into 1 by y plus 2 into 1 by x. So that I can give substitution. ಇಲ್ಲೂ 1 by y ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ 1 by y ಇದೆ. Take it as v. ಇಲ್ಲೂ 1 by x ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ 1 by x ಇದೆ. Take it as u. Then you will get this equation. See here, 1 by y ಅಂದ್ರೇನು v, 1 by x ಅಂದ್ರೇನು u. v plus u is equal to 5. First equation. ಇದು ನೋಡಿ 3, 1 by y ಅಂದ್ರೆ v, 3v plus 2 into 1 by x, 1 by x ಅಂದ್ರೆ u, 2u equal to 13. ಇದನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ vu ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Then you can find y and x. So product ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ get it to the LHS and try to solve it. That's it. That is all you have to do it.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in previous terms, 1 by x is equals to u and 1 by y is equals to v we have taken, sir.
Yes.
Sir, but in this sum, I have changed the variables, no, sir.
You have taken 1 by y as
U, sir.
u and 1 by x as
No,
v.
no issue, sir. If
No
we
issues,
change,
no issues, no problem.
yes,
Just
sir.
do it. Not an issue.
Sir, like once could you solve after this getting the standard form, sir? Like after v plus u is equal to 5 and 3v plus 2u is equal to 13. I'm not getting properly. That's why.
I didn't get you. You're not getting this step.
No, sir. I got till there, but after that, I'm not able to solve actually.
Solve it by elimination method. ಮುಂಚೆ elimination method ಅಲ್ಲಿ v ಮತ್ತೆ u ಬದಲಿಗೆ x and y ಅಂತ ಇತ್ತು. x and y ಬದಲು v and u ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಅದನ್ನ elimination method ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? You have to eliminate a variable. ನಿಮ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನಾದ್ರೂ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಐ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ v. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ v ಏನಿದೆ 3 ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ v ಏನಿದೆ 1 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ದಿ LCM ಆಫ್ 1 and 3. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ LCM ಆಫ್ 1 and 3? ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ 3. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ 3 ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಬೈ 3. ಇದು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 3 ಇದೆ, ಯು ನೀಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ 3 into v is 3v plus 3 into u is 3u. 3 5s are 15. Now second one as it is 3v plus 2u equal to 13. Both the signs are same, so change the sign. gets cancelled. Here it is plus, here it is minus. So we have to subtract it. 3u minus 2u is 1u. 15 minus 13 is 2. Therefore, u is equal to 2. 1u is nothing but u. U value sikta. Idun togondogi yadaದ್ರು ಒಂದು equation ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೋಣ. ಈ first equation ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೋಣ. v plus u is equal to 5. v as it is, u is 2 equal to 5. 2 ನ ಆಸೆ ಕಳಿಸಿ 5 minus 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Therefore, v value is 3. x and y ಇತ್ತು, ಅದರ ಬದಲಿಗೆ v and u ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. We have to solve it by elimination method. I hope.
Got it, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Very simple. Product ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತು, ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ತಗೊಬಂದು ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಓಕೆ, okay then. I hope everyone has finished it. Can I move on to the next problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. We'll solve this together, okay? Let's solve this together. 29th one. Y minus 4 by x minus y equal to 1. Yeah. I won't tell what we have to do. You have to tell me. Okay. Let me ask one by one. Bhuvan, could you help me solving this? What can we do here? Bhuvan? Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Bhuvan. Bhuvan Bhaiya, are you there? It is like the ghost house where you watch in movies, right? They'll go and they'll ask, "Yaradru idira?" There will be a pure silence. The same thing I am experiencing here. Yaradru idira? No one is responding. It's completely silent.
Sir, can I say, sir?
Now I want certain people to say it.
Sir, 3 divided by x plus y. So we can write it as 3x plus 3y.
No. See here. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 3 divided by x plus y ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಅದನ್ನ 3x plus 3y ಅಂತ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀತೀರಾ? ತಪ್ಪಲ್ವಾ?
Sir, 3 divided by x.
You should say it as, I know what you said, but you didn't say it in a proper way. You can write this 3 divided by x plus y as 3 into 1 over x plus y. 3 into 1 over x plus y. Can we do that? We are just separating the denominator part. Okay, ಈ numbers ಮತ್ತೆ denominator part ನ separate ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. So plus 2 by x minus y ನ ಏನಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? 2 into 1 by x minus y equal to 2. Similarly, what can you do for the next one? 9 divided by x plus y ನ ಏನಂತ ಬರೀಬೋದು? 9 into 1 over x plus y. ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣನೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ x plus y ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ x plus y ಇದೆ. Splitted. ಇಲ್ಲೂ x minus y ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ x minus y ಇದೆ. Splitted. As soon as you see, you will get to know. 4 into 1 by x minus y equal to 1. Now, Ashrita, could you tell me what is the substitution that we have to give? Ashrita?
Sir?
What is the substitution that we have to give? ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ substitution ಕೊಡಬೇಕು? For which one should we give? Give to anything which you wish, sir. Your choice.
3 divided by xy.
No, usually ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ y put y is equal to so much, put x is equal to u ಆ ತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸೇಮ್ ಇರೋದು ಯಾವುದು? ಇಲ್ಲೂ 1 over x plus y ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ 1 over x plus y ಇದೆ. 1 divided by x plus y ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಇದೆಯಾ? 1 divided by x plus y ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಇದೆಯಾ? ನಮಗೆ ಮೇನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರೋದು ಏನು? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಮೇನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್? ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಮೇನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಸರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್? ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಮೇನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ x and y ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಯೂಶಲಿ x and y ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಲ್ಲ. x and y won't be in denominator, ಬಟ್ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅದನ್ನ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. 1 over x plus y, put 1 over x plus y as u, and the other one 1 over x minus y as v. So again agate 3 as it is, 1 over x plus y is u plus 2 1 over x minus y is v equal to 2. Standard form banta. Adhe tara next one madidre 9u minus 4v equal to 1. From here solve by elimination method and find the value of u and v.
Sir?
Yes?
Sir, it's in the form of division, no, sir. Can we put it to multiplication?
Which one? This one?
Huh.
No, you cannot, because illiro denominator bere ide, illiro denominator bere ide alva. You cannot send it the other side. You cannot make it as multiplication. Eradu same iddidre x plus y anta iddidre ಕಳಿಸಿರಬಹುದು. Here you got a different thing, here you got a different thing. What you have to do is you have to take LCM then send it the other side, which is very complicated. For example, I ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ 1 by 3 plus 2 by 4 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. Will you send this 3 and 4 to the other side? No, right? What will you do? You will take LCM, right? But ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ 3 ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ you could have sent it, because ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ 3 ಇದೆ, so you would have written it like this, then you could have sent it. That is possible. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ? x plus y ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆ x minus y ಇದೆ. You cannot send it the other side. You have to take LCM. It is complicated. So like this. Yeah. Make it fast and tell me the value of u and v.
Sir,
Yes, Manya.
sir, it already has different signs. Should we again change the sign, sir?
Which one?
Sir, for eliminating
Eliminating what? Are you eliminating u or v?
you, sir.
Are you eliminating me? You're eliminating me. Why?
No, sir.
No.
You.
V. Why? What did I do?
Letter U, sir.
Okay, alphabet u. Okay. Eliminating u. But they've got same sign, right? How come they've got different sign? Illu positive ಇದೆ, illu positive ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Sorry, sir. I just saw the V sign.
Okay. Shashank, Smriti, Deeksha, I guess doing it.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Sir,
Yes, Adarsh.
sir, v is equal to 10 and u is equal to minus 6. I'll find out.
No, I don't think. Yeah, maybe 1040 minus 36. Just check. I don't think it's correct.
So if you do 3 into minus 6 plus 2 into 10 is equal to 2, you get minus 18 plus 20 is equal to 2. So 2 is equal to 2.
What about the second one? What about the second one?
I check, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, is u is equal to 1 by 2?
U is equal to 1 by 2. I don't know.
Sir, v is equals to 1 by 2 I got.
Some have got v is equal to 1 by 2. Some have got u is equal to 1 by 2. Why is there so much confusion? Very simple. Be careful when you eliminate it. Whichever you are eliminating it.
Sir, is v is equal to 4?
My God, why so many different answers?
Sir,
Yeah.
left hand side, sir.
Huh.
2 here, sir, left hand side.
Hmm.
2 left hand side, sir. This side.
Right side.
Left, sir.
Left
To
side.
your left.
Yeah, to my left, I've got 2 and 4 here.
Sir, 2 1 by x minus y is there, no, sir?
Here.
Yes, sir. That how 4 came, sir?
Where 4 came? See here. 3, 1 by x plus y is u. 3u plus 2, v equal to 2. That's first one. Second one, this is 9u minus 4, v equal to 1. I've done it correctly, right?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
See guys, come on, you have to solve it by elimination method. The coefficient of u is 3, here it is 9. Same illa, you have to make it same. How do you make it same? Through LCM. What is the LCM of 3 and 9?
9.
9. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ already 9 ಇದೆ, don't do anything. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನ 9 ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ you have to multiply throughout by 3. So 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6 again. The second one remains as it is, 9u minus 4v equal to 1. ಇವೆರಡಕ್ಕೂ same sign ಇದೆ, so change the sign. Plus will become minus, minus will become plus. Gets cancelled. ಇಲ್ಲೂ plus ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ plus ಇದೆ. So it is 10v equal to 6 minus 1 is 5. 10v equal to 5. Therefore, v is equal to 5 by 10. 5 by 10 is nothing but 1 by 2. Therefore, v value is 1 by 2. I hope it is visible. Now, what will you do? Find the u value. U value ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತೀರಾ? ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು equation ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. 3u plus 2v equal to 2. 3u plus 2. What is the value of v? The value of v is 2. The value of v is 1 by 2 equal to 2. V ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ v value ನ ಹಾಕಿದೀನಿ. 2 gets cancelled. So 3u plus 1 equal to 2. 3u equal to 2 minus 1. Plus 1 na say transpose ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ. 3u is equal to 1. Therefore u is equal to what? 1 over 3. Did you get the value of v and u as 1 by 2 and 1 by 3?
Yes,
If not, please do it properly.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
3u plus 2v is equals to 2, but we should multiply by 9 now, sir.
Illa.
Sir.
That's what I told in the previous class. Your teachers would have told you, ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ 9 ನ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ 3 ನ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ?
Yes, sir.
ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಾ?
No.
No, sir. Why should we ask, sir? That's not our duty.
Sir, you have also did.
Huh?
You have also did.
I also did, but I'll tell you why am I doing it. Listen. ಯಾಕೆ ಆತರ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ u ಜೊತೆ ಏನಿದೆ 3 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ u ಜೊತೆ ಏನಿದೆ 9 ಇದೆ. ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಸೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಆತರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ಟಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಅಬ್ಸಲ್ಯೂಟ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 9 ಇದೆ. LCM ತಗೋ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ LCM ಆಫ್ 3 and 9? It is 9. So whatever LCM you have got it, this number should become that. So 9 ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಈ 3 ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು? 9 ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಇದು 9 ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 9 ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಈ 3 ನ 9 ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಥ್ರೂ ಔಟ್ ಐ ಶುಡ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಬೈ 3. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎರಡು ಇಲ್ಲೂ u ಜೊತೆ ಏನಿದೆ 9 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ u ಜೊತೆ ಏನಿದೆ 9 ಇದೆ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಇಟ್. ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ಥಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇದನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ 9 ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ 3 ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಲೆಂಥಿ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೈ ಐ ಟಾಟ್ ಯು ದಿಸ್.
Thank you.
This is the actual method, to be precise. This is the actual method. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 9 ಇದೆ. ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Simple example. Do you remember this? 1 by 3 plus 2 by 9 ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. How do you add this? Ashita, can you add this?
No, sir.
No. What will you do to add it? What will you do to add it?
LCM.
You'll take LCM and you'll make the denominator same, alva? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, LCM ತಗೊಂಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀರಾ. ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ನಂಬರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, LCM ತಗೊಂಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀರಿ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಕಂಫರ್ಟಬಲ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿ ಅದರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ 3 ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ 9 ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದು, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ 17, 18 ಅಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ಟಫ್. Anyhow, at the end, you should get the answer. V is equal to 1 by 2, U is equal to 1 by 3. The problem has not finished yet. Yes, Manya?
Sir, I'm getting still U is equals to 1 by 3. After that, I'm getting confused, sir. I'm not able to solve it further.
Let's clarify confusion. Don't worry. I hope at least till here there is no doubt.
No, sir.
The others,
Sir, after substituting it, I'm getting confused.
after substituting, you're getting confused. Okay. And one more thing is, when I'm solving it, please don't solve. Okay, you just observe. See, you can see your teacher would have taught you in a different way. I might have taught you in a different way. You can compare both, and whichever is easy. I'm not compelling you have to solve by my method itself. Nothing as such. Okay. You can solve it on your own. But please observe. When I'm starting any new problem, observe the way I'm doing it. You will definitely learn something out of it. Even if you know the method, you will definitely learn something. There might be a small trick which I might help you in solving. So please observe carefully. Let me give you another problem so that you'll get clarified with your doubts. So what was the value of V that we got? 1 by 2.
By 2.
The value that we got was 1 by 3.
1 by 3.
Observe, please observe. There is a big difference between the previous problem and this problem. If V na yenanta tagondidivi, V is nothing but 1 by x minus y. Correct? 1 by x minus y. Isn't it? V value I know 1 by x minus y. Cross multiply it. X minus y into 1 is x minus y. 2 into 1 is 2. Last problem la yenagtittu ee step alle x value y value siktittu, but you're getting an equation here. Okay, let's take it as equation 3. Now take down this. U is equal to 1 by 3. U was 1 by x plus y equal to 1 by 3. Cross multiply madi. X plus y into 1 is x plus y. 3 into 1 is 3. Innondu equation sikta. Take it as 4. Equation 3 ಮತ್ತೆ 4 ನ solve ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ answer ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. X minus y equal to 2, x plus y equal to 3. Solve ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲೂ plus x ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ plus x ಇದೆ. Change the sign. Minus, minus, minus. Plus x and minus x gets cancelled. Minus y is minus 2y. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So illiro minus cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Therefore the y value is 1 by 2. Now what will you do? Substitute in any of the equation. Idralladru substitute ಮಾಡಿ, idralladru substitute ಮಾಡಿ, you will get the answer. That is x minus y is equal to 2. X as it is minus y is 1 by 2 equal to 2. Send this minus 1 by 2 the other side. 2 plus half. 2 plus half is what? 2 and a half. 2 and a half can be written as 5 by 2. So y value is 1 by 2. X value is 5 by 2. Previous problem go, problem a big difference, question number. Alva? The 28 is 29. That is the biggest difference. There is difference. So the biggest difference is E step direct x value, y value siktittu, but you are not getting the x value and y value. You are getting equations. You are getting equations. Equations na matte solve madre, you will get it. What is this, sir? Matte ಎಷ್ಟು sir solve ಮಾಡೋದು?
Sir.
Yes, Srisha.
Sir, in other form here in x minus y is equals to 2, x plus y is equals to 3 is there, sir?
Yeah.
We can directly cancel y and y no, sir, plus y minus y.
Yeah, ma, you can do it. Yes, you can directly do it. Minus y is plus y there. You can cancel it and you can find the value of x, then you can find the value of y.
But we are not finding same answer, no, sir?
You will get same answer.
No, sir, I'm not getting.
No, you should get same answer. Observe. X minus y is equal to 2. X plus y is equal to 3. ಇವಾಗ y ನ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದೆ. You can eliminate it. Plus and minus gets cancelled. X plus x is 2x. 2 plus 3 is 5. Therefore x value ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 5 by 2. Same thing we got here. Now take this 5 by 2, substitute in any of the equation. ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ substitute ಮಾಡಿ, ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ substitute ಮಾಡಿ, y value ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಿರಿ. Let's do that. X minus y is equal to 2. x is what? 5 by 2 minus y is equal to 5. Transpose y to the other side, 5 to this side. 5 by 2 minus 5 equal to y. Solve this, definitely you will get the answer. Sorry, this is 2, right? I wrote it as 5, I'm sorry. Definitely you will get it. Solve it, you will get it. Tomorrow's class, please get your graph sheet. We'll solve it by graphical method, okay? Tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
And very soon I'll be giving a small test on this chapter.
Yes, sir.
Then we'll start with those chapters, real numbers, polynomials, whatever it is.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I have a doubt while subtracting.
Yeah.
If the while subtracting equation, if the sign is like x minus y1 equals 3, we have to change the sign to plus only.
I didn't get you, come back again.
So while subtracting the equations,
Yeah.
the equation will be the denominator. The equation will be second equation, x minus y equals 3.
Okay.
There we have to change the minus sign into plus.
Yeah. You mean to say that ಇವಾಗ y ನ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಅವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ should you change the sign? That is what you are asking, am I right? Yes, you have to. Because illu minus sign ಇದೆ, illu minus sign ಇದೆ, you have to change the sign throughout. So ಈ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಮೈನಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Then you have to solve it. Is that clear, Sanika?
Sir,
Okay, you meant different. Okay, tell me. So ಇದನ್ನೇ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, x minus y is equal to 2, x minus y is equal to 3 ಅಂತ ಇದ್ರೆ should we change the sign ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
sir, x plus y, the upper one.
Okay, ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ x plus y ಇದ್ದು ಕೆಳಗೆ x minus y ಇದ್ರೆ 3. Now tell me, which variable are you eliminating?
X.
x ನ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ವಾ, ಯಾವ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ನ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರೋ ಆ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಸೈನ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು. What is the sign of this?
Plus.
What is the sign of this?
Plus.
Plus. Both are same. You have to change it. ಎರಡರದು same sign ಇದ್ರೆ you have to change it. If you are eliminating y ನ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ.
Sir, but in the last sum you have been the last, like you have taken 9u plus 6v equals 6. So the last one you did know.
Last one, what is the last one we did? We did it like this. 9u plus 6v is equal to 6.
9u minus 4v equals 1.
1. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇದೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ? What is plus? What is the sign for this?
Plus.
Both are same sign. Then you have to change it. Plus ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ minus, minus ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ plus, plus ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ minus. Then this is plus 9u, this is minus 9u. I can cancel it. Illu plus.
But here we are subtracting, no sir. Already before has the minus sign, but why we have to change it to plus?
See, what you are doing it is actually ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಇದನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ನಾವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಕ್ಚುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಬರಿಬೇಕು, 9u plus 6v okay equal to 6 okay minus 9u minus 4v equal to 1. ಈ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, this doesn't belong only to the first one, it belongs to everything. So just multiply it, minus into 9u minus 9u, minus into minus plus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. That is why ಈ ತರ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಬಾಟಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇತ್ತಾ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಮೈನಸ್, ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್, ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಮೈನಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಆಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿ ಸೇ ಇಟ್. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇದೆಯಾ, ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಚೇಂಜ್ ದ ಸೈನ್. Can I change only for this? No, you have to do it. When you make a change for one thing, you have to make it for everything. Multiplication is ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಫಾರ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಸೇಮ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್. ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್. ಸೈನ್ ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಕೆನ್ ಐ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೇನಿದೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 9 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, ನಮ್ ಇಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ? ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿ ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇತ್ತು, ನಮ್ ಇಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ? ನೋ. ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡೂ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಈ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, 3 is equal to 3. ಒಪ್ಕೋತೀರಾ? 3 is equal to 3. Yeah. Now, if I multiply 2 on this side, and if I multiply 2 on this side, will I get the same answer or different answer?
Same, sir.
Same.
ಇವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಈಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಮುಂಚೆನೂ ಈಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ, ಇವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಈಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಇದೆಯಾ? I am multiplying by the same number on both sides. Here also I am doing the same thing. 9u minus 4v equal to 1 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. What I am multiplying is by minus 1 on both sides. ಈ ಸೈಡು minus 1, ಈ ಸೈಡು minus 1. So minus 1 into 9 is minus 9. Minus 1 into minus 4. Minus 1 into minus 4 is plus 4. Minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. This is actual step. If we tell it, it will be very confusing. ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ, ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇದೆಯಾ, ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆಯಾ, ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ, ಹಂಗೆ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಸೆಡ್. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ. See, when sometimes when we go to that, you know, students will start losing the interest. Yeah, I'll give one more problem, exactly similar. Try it on your own. This I guess should be 30th one. 5 by x plus y minus 2 by x minus y equal to minus 1. 15 by x plus y plus 7 by x minus y equal to 10. It is exactly like the previous one. Please solve it. We couldn't do much today. We just solved 2 problems. Yes, Kirtana, could you tell me what will be the first step? Kirtana?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what will be the first step?
5x plus y
9x plus y
minus, sir, x plus y divided, multiplied by x, 5 multiplied by x plus
5 into 1 by x plus y. That is how you have to read it. 5 into 1 by x plus y minus 2 into 1 by x minus y equal to minus 1. Next ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 15 into 1 by x plus y plus 7 into 1 by x minus y equal to 10. Yeah, next. Trisha, what will be the next step?
Sir, we have to take 1 by x plus y as v and 1 by x plus x minus y as u, sir.
Okay, we'll do the other way. 1 by x plus y na u anta togolana, 1 by x minus y na v anta togolana. What you said is also correct, but I'll go with this. So what we'll get? Trisha, continue. What should I write here?
Sir, 5u minus 2v
Yeah,
is equal to minus 1.
excellent. So 15u,
15u plus
7v equal to 10.
yes, sir.
Ashrita, just observe Ashrita. You asked a question last time, alva? So actually ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ 15 ನ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಈ 5 ನ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, sir.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲೆಂತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ರಾಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಲೆಂತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ ನೋಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನೀವು 15 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಲೆಂತಿ. ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಈ 5 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 15 ಇದೆ, ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಈ 5 ಮತ್ತೆ 15 LCM ಏನು? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ LCM ಆಫ್ 5 and 15?
15.
15. Very good. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 15 ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಇದೆ. ಈ 5 ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, 15 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಈ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, 3 ಇಂದ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ 5 3s are 15 ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ 5 3s are 15, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಹೇಗಾಯ್ತಾ ಅಶ್ವಿತಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಯಾ, ಬಟ್ ನೀವ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೇನು, 15 ನ ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, 5 ನ ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ದೆನ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಇಟ್. ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಇವೆರಡಕ್ಕೂ LCM ಏನೋ 5 and 15 LCM ಏನೋ 15. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 15 ಇದೆ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಡೂ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಇದೆ, ಇದನ್ನ 15 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಬೈ 3. Now Sainika, should I change the sign, yes or no?
Should change.
Yes, because illu plus ಇದೆ, plus 15 plus 15. Change the sign. Minus, this plus will become minus, this plus will become minus. Plus 15 minus 15 gets cancelled. Illu minus ಇದೆ, observe the new sign, that is also minus. Both are minus added. 7 plus 6 is 13 with a negative. Again here, minus minus. So minus 13. So minus minus gets cancelled. Therefore, V is equal to 13 by 13, which
V
is
is
equal to 1. Idin use madkondo U value kandidiri. Find the value of U. Disha, you got V is equal to 1. That's correct. You cannot have U is equal to 0, ma. Check it out.
Sir, that was last sum, sir, not this sum.
Okay, I'm sorry. Okay. Yeah. Yen sir, last sum divag nodtidira.
U is equals to 1 by 5, sir.
U is equal to 1 by 5. I don't know. Others, your video.
I got the same, sir. U is equals to 1 by 5.
Okay, Disha also got the same thing. What about Shashank?
Sir, doing.
Chandana?
Yes, sir. I got 1 by 5.
Okay. Everyone is getting 1 by 5. So let me also take U as 1 by 5. So the others, please check it out. U is equal to 1 by 5. V is equal to 1. Using this, you have to find the values of X and Y. Try it out. Do that. Whatever I've done under the previous problem, the same thing. So next,
Sir, I'm getting 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3.
you're getting minus 1 by 3. Tell me the steps. V na yaudral substitute madidri.
5U minus 2V equals minus 1.
Okay, very good. So 5U minus 2V equal to minus 1. 5U minus 2, V value is 1 equal to minus 1. 5U minus 2 into 1 is 2 equal to minus 1. 5U equal to minus 1. Minus 2 transpose ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. So ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ತಗೋ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. So it become plus 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 5U equal to 1. Therefore, U is 1 over 5. Got it? Where did you go wrong? I guess this step. Yeah. So U is equal to 1 by 5. So U value 6 V value 6. Using this, find the value of X and Y.
Sir, X minus Y is equals to 5. X plus Y, sorry, sir, X plus Y is equals to 5. X minus Y is equals to 1.
Yeah, you'll be getting two equations. So this should be a two equations. Very simple. Let me do it here. U is 1 by 5. U andre no 1 by X plus Y equal to 1 by 5. Cross multiply ಮಾಡಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. X plus Y is equal to 5. X minus Y is equal to 1. Again solve by elimination method. You will get the value of X and Y. Is that finished?
Sir,
Yes,
y is
sir.
equal to minus 5 by 2. X is equal to 5.
No, x is 3, y is 2. Check it out properly. Or it should be the other way.
Sir, y is equal to minus 2, sir.
Just check it out. 3 minus 2, 1, 3 plus 2, 5. X value should be 3. 2x is equal to, so 2y is equal to 4, y is equal to 2. You should get x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2. That will be the perfect one. X is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. Just check it out. Next class, please don't forget your graph sheets. X plus y is equal to 5. X minus y is equal to 1. Solve by elimination. Both the signs are same, so change it. Minus. This minus will become plus. This plus will become minus. Plus x and minus x gets cancelled. Y plus y will become 2y. 5 minus 1 is 4. Most of you, what mistake you do is, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೀರಾ. That is wrong. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದೆ. Observe the new sign. That is also plus. Both are plus. You have to add. Y plus y is 2y. Here it is plus. Here it is minus. 5 minus 1 is 4. Therefore, y is equal to 4 by 2, which implies y is 2. So you got the value of y. Substitute and find the value of x.
X is equals to 3, sir.
Yeah, you'll be getting it as 3. You should get it as 3. Is that clear now? So that's it for the day, guys. So if you got any doubts, you can clarify.
Sir, x is equals to 3, sir.
Yeah, x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2. You got any doubts, you can clarify and you can leave. You got no doubts, you can leave. Obviously.
Sir, x is equal to 3.
Yeah, x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2.
Sir, can you give one homework sum?
You want a homework sum? Okay, sure. Okay, I'll give you one homework sum. What will be the homework question number? So we are maintaining
31.
Sorry? No, the homework question.
31.
Classwork. Homework question number should be 6 or 7, I guess. This is homework. So try out this. One second. Okay, take down this. Ten divided by x plus y plus 2 divided by x minus y equal to 4. 15 divided by x plus y minus 9 divided by x minus y equal to minus 2. I'll also give you the answer, the value of x and y. This is only for your verification, so that you will get to know whether you have done it correct or wrong. 31st column. Okay, so once again, you should get the answer as x value 21 by 8, y value 9 by 8. So check it out. So this is the answer. I've given you a problem and a answer also. You can verify it. X value you should get it as 21 by 8, y value you should get it as 9 by 8.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.